Hi, I'm Akansha. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my current skincare routines and what are those products that I'm actually using currently. Okay, so let me clear this at the beginning itself that who can use or follow this skincare routine. Now, skincare is subjective. You need to figure out by trial and error method कि कौन सी चीज़ आपके लिए work करती है and कौन सी नहीं करती. And looking at someone else's skincare routine and thinking that these things are going to work for you as well, that is very wrong. You need to experiment on your own. And all of these products which I am going to be showing you in the video, which I personally use, are fragrance free and non-comedogenic. At first, let me start with my morning skincare routine. So morning में at first, obviously I cleanse my skin with a mild cleanser. So this is the one that I use. It's the simple gentle skin cleanser. I have been using this for quite some months now, and I'm really been loving this. There's only one issue with this face wash is that you need a lot of water to wash this off. ये easily नहीं हटती है आपके skin से, so that sometimes irritates me a lot. But other than that, it's a very mild and gentle cleanser and cleanses your skin very well and does not make your skin dry as well. So daytime में I tend to use this Plum 10% niacinamide serum. I've just started using this and I still need to find out what are the actual benefits that it is providing to my skin, but so far so good. I'm liking this. It hydrates and moisturizes the skin very nicely, and it also leaves your skin a little dewy looking, so I love that as well. It has the goodness of rice. It has rice ferment extract, which helps to provide anti-aging benefits to your skin as well. And moving on to the third step, I use a moisturizer. So daytime mein I use a light oil-free moisturizer. I use this Phyto Clear moisturizer from Earth Rhythm. It has Centella asiatica and also horsetail and sage extract. It is non-comedogenic and it does not make your skin greasy at all. Winters के लिए this is not appropriate because ये optimum amount of hydration और moisturization नहीं देगी आपकी skin में. So I stick to this only daytime में, क्योंकि दिन में I do not want to feel all sweaty and heavy by using a heavy duty moisturizer on my skin. This is something that works amazingly well, and especially in summers and monsoons. And the fourth step in my morning skincare routine is a sunscreen, which is a must. And I've been using this Earth Rhythm Sun Fluid. It's the SPF 50 Sun Fluid with PA4 rating. I have been loving this. It gives you a slight cooling sensation as soon as you apply it. Also, इसकी जो texture है वो बिल्कुल moisturizer की तरह ही है, बिल्कुल heavy नहीं लगती है दूसरे sunscreens की तरह. And इसकी consistency भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा light weighted है. And this is also non-comedogenic and fragrance free. So with that, we end up our 4-step morning skincare routine. That's all I use for the morning. Now coming to the nighttime skincare routine. Now this is something I follow more religiously whenever I'm not going out anywhere. मैं morning time में skincare skip कर देती हूँ, but रात को I make sure that I take time and I religiously, nicely devote my time to my skincare. So रात को on those days when I shoot, at first I remove my makeup as in eyeliner, mascara and lipstick. उसके बाद थोड़ा eye makeup करती हूँ. So all those things I remove using this micellar water. It's from Bioderma. This is what I have been using currently, but इससे पहले I have used the simple micellar cleanser and like cleansing water, and also the Garnier micellar water. All of these work amazingly well, but इसकी खास बात ये है that it is non-comedogenic and it is also suitable for people who have acne prone and sensitive skin, which is me. And yeah, it's been working really well on my skin. उसके बाद I cleanse with my regular cleanser, which is again this simple cleanser. मैं सिर्फ ये ही cleanser यूज़ करती हूँ both रात को and दिन में भी. Then the third step is the serum. रात को I use my alpha arbutin serum from Minimalist. This helps me with my pigmentation, acne marks, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत frequently acne होती रहती है और marks भी छूट जाते हैं. So this is what has been helping me, and it also helps to detan your skin. So I use this. उसके बाद I top it up with this Snail Mucin. This is an essence, and you know the combination of these two products, the alpha arbutin and this snail essence, has really shown amazing results on my skin. Snail mucin की ना बहुत सारे benefits है. It is anti-aging. It helps your skin to get rid of or to smoothen out your fine lines or wrinkles, and this has healing properties, calming properties, acne को भी ये treat करती है. So basically if you have this product now, it's like an essence, it's a toner, it's a serum, it's a treatment, it's a moisturizer, it's an all-in-one product. After the essence, I end my nighttime skincare routine with a moisturizer. So currently I have been using this Phyto Repair Moisturizer from Earth Rhythm as my night cream. This has 3% vitamin C and 1% Matrixyl 3000. Vitamin C has antioxidant properties, and Matrixyl 3000 is like a substitute of retinol. It helps to provide anti-aging benefits. So all in all, this is a very nice night cream. And this is again non-comedogenic. थोड़ी heavy लग सकती है अगर आप ज़्यादा amount में use कर लो, but if you use just a pea size amount, this is good to go and more than enough. And the last product that I want to talk about is a peel. So I use this once a week. Exfoliating your skin once or twice a week is very very important. और अगर आप chemical peel कर रहे हो ना, then once a week is only recommended. उससे ज़्यादा मत करो. So what I have been using of lately is this Plum Green Tea peel. It has 10% of AHA, 5% of PHA and 0.5% of BHA. So it's a very good beginner friendly peel. ऐसा कुछ vast result तो नहीं दिखी है मुझे अभी तक, but yes, it definitely does make my skin feel a bit smoother and skin को थोड़ी brighten up भी करती है, थोड़ी glow भी आती है. ऐसे कुछ drastic आप expect मत कीजिए इस product के साथ, because it has the acids in very very low percentage, and also it is fragrance free. I have shot an in-depth review of this product as well. That's gonna go up on the channel very soon, so stay tuned for that. So that's pretty much it, what I use on my skin and what I do to keep my skin healthy. So with that, it's a wrap. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any queries, then do let me know in the comments below. I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me Akanksha signing off. Bye.